Hi guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor with a 3.0 shop update. So for the last 7-8 days we have been moving and we're actually up and running. We're going to start producing parts here right after the morning break and get rolling. I'd planned on making a whole bunch of updates and walking you through all of this, and when you're working 14-hour days to get things done, some of this stuff doesn't become a big priority. So I'm going to walk you through, show you what we got, and then we'll show you some of our improvements, individual stuff as we go on. You can see what we've done in our shop, so here we go. So we've had the edgebander here for a while, and we had on Wednesday, we had a trainer coming in to get us all set up. We needed dust collection, and so we've got this fine set up right now with this special hanging system, and we've got a temporary dust collector on that. We're waiting for some more pipe to come in, and we'll tie it all into our other one. Also on Monday, we started moving stuff, but we got delivered our new Anderson CNC. So we were basically setting up 2 machines all last week. Had a couple little hiccups with this guy, but not much. We brought over all of our favorites and our setup from our other machine and put it on here. The only difference with this one is we got a much larger drill head. Twice as many bits on it, and so it's gonna work faster. But we've got it all set up, finished up our semi-auto loading system yesterday, and it's looking good. Got our conveyor table in. If you remember our old shop, we just had a roller conveyor with sawdust falling through. So we've got, once again, we've got some temporary dust collection set up. We're waiting for some more pipe to come in, but looking good. This morning the guys working on the label it station. And this conveyor is on wheels and moves around, and so what we tried to do is we didn't want anything bolted to the floor if we could avoid it. We tried not to bolt anything to the walls. Everything is on wheels so we can move it around. So on this one we used our Lowe's fence post. We've got one upside down with a plate there, and then we bolted a shelf into it, and we bolted another one on top of that, and then we have our monitor on a TV swiveling TV stand here, our computer here, so that we've got our labeling system is here. One of the things you'll notice is how close our edgebander is to our offload conveyor. We try to keep everything right here. My goal is to have a nice polished spot right here on the floor where my guys are walking back, and they're just a short distance here. This edgebander feeds on the opposite side of what other ones normally do, and is what that allowed us to do is bring it right up to the offload conveyor, and we still have good clearance, so we've got lots of room out to the side. Our old one, we would have had to place it over here to feed in this direction. So this we can pull stuff off of here. Conveyor belt brings it down. It's got the photo eye on it, so everything's going to come off right here, and we can, from here to here, we're one step and into the machine. So we're excited to see how that's going to work out with that. This is kind of our production alley. So we've got room here for large parts to come out on the edgebander, and then we've got all of our hinge boring machine, our drawer front drilling machine, and our drawer assembly station there. So looking really good, and it's coming along good. So we're gonna start stuff up today here in just a little bit and get rolling. But the shop is looking great. We got a lot done. My team did an amazing job of working. They worked 5 days, 8-9 hours. We had a couple of days that we stayed late. They did. Another thing we did, we ran our dust collector outside, and I'll run real quick so you can see that. Here we go. So got our dust collector outside. Hey everyone, if you like these videos, please take a second, like it below, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to have more updates on individual items that we've done in the shop in the future, and so you'll get additional updates. Here's the rest of it. So we didn't have to drill a hole in the building. We got lots of doors in this building. This door was all busted up anyways. We just ran right through that. Got an awning up outside to protect it. At some point we'll probably upgrade this to a dedicated outside one, but it's looking good. And then back around the corner we've got our compressors. A little bit of a mess back here. Don't look at that, but hey, we've got our compressor and our vacuum pumps are out here, and we've got our triple redundant cooling system to get things get all the moisture out of the air, and we've got our vacuum pumps back there so that we've got all of our noise and heat producing stuff outside of the shop. So it's looking good. I'll give you some more updates on individual setups and things that we've done over here as we go along. But as of today, we're going to be up and running.